to English Online P channel. It's good to see you all today and thank you so much for spending your time with me. I hope you all are doing fine and stay safe, everyone. Today, we are going to learn about phrasal verbs. Yes, phrasal verbs are very common and it's very useful in English. But don't worry, we will learn it in a very easy way. So are you guys ready? Okay, let's start. What is a phrasal verb? A phrasal verb is two or more words combined together to describe a specific action. There are so many phrasal verbs that we need to learn. But today, we will only focus with the word look. Yes, look as a phrasal verb. Are you guys ready to learn about it? Okay, let's start. First, we have look up. Look up means to search for some information or specific information. Example, I don't know the meaning of this word. I need to look it up on the internet. Next, we have the word look for. Look for means to search something. For example, where is it? I can't find it. Oh, I'm looking for my bag. Next one, we have the word look at. Look at means to make your eyes focus on someone or something. Example, look at that picture. Or look at that girl. She looks beautiful with her very nice dress. Next, we have the word look after. Look after means to take care of someone or something. Example, nurses and doctors look after patients in the hospital. Another one is, my dog is sick today. I need to look after my dog. Next, we have the word look up to. Look up to means to respect or admire someone. Example, I really look up to doctors and nurses because their job is very difficult. Or, I look up to people who are very helpful. Next, we have the word look over. Look over means to examine or check something. Example, I need to look over this document before signing it. Next, we have look ahead. Look ahead means to think of the future. So now, future. Example, we need to forget about the past. Look ahead for the brighter tomorrow. The other one is look back. Look back means to think of the past. So now, past. Example, we need to look back on our mistakes so that we can do better. Next, we have the word look around. It means to turn around and look at something. Example, Wow, this place is so great. It's my first time here. I think I will look around and check if there are good shops, good restaurants. Okay, so those are the phrasal verbs that focuses on look. This time, guys, we will try to have a short review about it. Okay? Are you guys ready? Okay. So the first phrasal verb that you get to learn is look up. Next, look. What is it? Look for. Look at. Look after. Look up to. Look over. Look ahead. Look back and look around. Okay, very good. You've been doing so well. All right, so I will give you a short exercise and you are going to answer it, okay? So that we will check if you really get to remember the phrasal verbs that you learned today. So, are you guys ready? Do you have a pen, paper, or pencil? Okay, so try to answer this short quiz or short exercise. 1, 2, 3, let's go.
Try to answer this mini quiz. Choose from the given phrasal verbs. There are 5 items to choose from. You can do it, guys. Good luck. Okay, time's up. It's time to check your answers. I hope you get it all